I'm going to show you how to replace the battery of a Skoda key fob. This is key fob of a Skoda Octavia from 2017, but it's the same of all Skoda vehicles from this year, and also some Volkswagens and other brands form the VAG group. You will need a CR 2025 battery that I'll use to help me to open the key fob. But note that this is the wrong direction. Flip the key fob, put the battery in between the fob and gently rotate. Use a screwdriver to help you remove the old battery. And here you go. Your battery is now replaced. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.